Hello, my name is Hope, and I am a wife and a mom of 3 boys. I am a YouTuber of the channel Mylifefullofhope, and also the creator of Birth an Angel, and now Boxesfullofhope. So welcome to Boxesfullofhope. So when I started my channel in 2014, I believe it was my second or my third video, was a Thanksgiving tablescape, and I believe I had a video talking about the baby shower ideas that I did for my son Josiah's baby shower. And then also one of the other videos early on was my Christmas elf theme during Christmas. Became passionate about celebrating birthday when my middle son JJ turned 2 years old. This was shortly after my husband and I had our very first miscarriage, and that's when I knew not to take life for granted. As a teen mom and as a young mom, I took those things for granted. And that's when I really knew the importance of celebrating life and that tomorrow isn't promised to any one of us. I was always passionate about DIYs, decorating, family, and spending time together ever since I was a little girl. I was that little girl that would cry or get sad when the family gathering or the family trip was over. I love DIYs, and I remember carrying around this one book that I still have today, and I was always nervous about doing the DIYs in the book. I don't know why, I just I had enough nerve to create the DIYs in the book. I wish I could tell my younger self, Hope, just try and create them and don't be nervous to try. I remember listening to my grandparents saying who was related to who and how they would host these family meals and reunions and get-togethers, and all along I didn't realize that they were planting a seed the entire time. I enjoy feeding my family just like they did. So I started combining my love for DIYs, decorating, family, and togetherness, and creating these tablescapes so that they could linger around the table a little bit longer. Fast forward to 2020, I told my family about my vision and what I wanted to do and what I knew that God had given me. It seemed so overwhelming, and we were not going outside. People were not gathering. So I found everything else to do except what God told me to do. And we were not gathering. We were not joining together as family and as friends. So I was just telling myself, so what is the point? I came up with every excuse in the book. But I felt like God was nudging me every single day. And what I did find out is that people are going to gather. They're going to gather anyway, and they're going to celebrate. What I did, y'all, is that I gave myself another excuse. Y'all just don't know how many excuses I gave myself. So I gave myself another excuse, and one of those excuses was, did they have parties in the Bible? I'm not sure if they had parties in the Bible. So I started to look it up. And actually a few days later, I got a confirmation from a message or a sermon that Joyce Meyer had. And she talked about how in religion, sometimes we do not want, or we think that we should not celebrate or we should not have parties. But Jesus had many parties and get-togethers in the Bible. So that was just a confirmation for me to push forward. And now, finally, Boxesfullofhope has launched. So how it works is really simple. To shop Boxesfullofhope, you will just go to Etsy and follow the link. I'll make sure I put it down below. But you're just going to shop with Boxesfullofhope shop. And then I will ship your order to you. But you want to make sure, because some of the tables, and y'all, I tried, I even have the supplies to even send them out to people, but I just cannot risk some of the items breaking when they arrive to your house. I even thought about insurance as well if you wanted to purchase that. But to be on the safe side, some of the boxes, the larger ones, they will be labeled in the title and in the description, local delivery only. If you are in the North Carolina area, 25-mile radius. So you can just message me if you if you're interested in one of those beforehand, before you place your order. But what I will do is I will strive to make sure that every box that I create, majority of them, I would say 95% of them, 90% of them will be able to deliver to your home. So Hope, Boxes Full of Hope will also come out with consulting packages. We will have that, and they will consist of, if I can remember off the top of my head, how to plan a tablescape, plan a party at home, and let's see y'all, how to plan a menu for a get-together and planning a buffet-scape. I'm also going to come out with creating a inspiration board, or a vision board, or like an inspiration board if you are not comfortable or don't want to do like a one-on-one consult with me. So those will be rolling out eventually, and then also party digitals as well. So the boxes come with everything that you need for your tablescape or your place setting to enjoy with your family and friends for your next get-together safely. Boxes Full of Hope, I also wanted to include some bonuses. So there are about, I think, 7 bonuses. A step-by-step number guide, because I know everyone may not know how to put together a box. And then also a video, step-by-step video guide if you purchase a table for a place setting of 6 people or more. So a video guide if you have a 6-person table setting of 6 or more people. You will also get, far as your bonuses, if you purchase a Boxes Full of Hope box, which will be an edible menu template. If you get a seasonal box, you will also get the ones for Christmas and Thanksgiving. You can edit them and put in the food items that you would like yourself, and also edible menu and name card templates, as well as conversation starters. So at first I was only going to do this for the couples and married couples, but also this is for families. I want to have conversation starters that sometimes we forget to ask our children. They may be I really want you to see the tone of the room before you ask certain questions. Let your children take over the conversation, listen without telling them your opinion. Just really listen. I want family connections. Also guys, you will receive a mini party planner as a download. So all of this will be digital. And then I have a course coming out called Family Fulfilled Table, and it should have been out but it will be coming in October. And if you already purchased a box, what I will do is I'll make sure that I will send it to you. So once you order your tablescape, I will make sure that your bonuses are sent to you. They will be sent in a PDF format, and you will have all the links to all of your bonuses. So I hope you really enjoy them. Right now, processing your order will be 3 to 5 business days. Just make sure that if you have an event or something coming up, celebration at home, that you at least give yourself 10 business days out for any delays. But processing time 3 to 5 business days, and I will ship your box out to you. And I want you to enjoy it with your friends and family. I really want God to use Boxes Full of Hope to bring families together where they can thrive, connect, and flourish with togetherness. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks so much for listening, taking the time out, and may God bless you. Bye, y'all.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.